Hello students, in last video we have studied about expansion in solid. Now today our topic is expansion in liquid. Now we will study about the expansion in liquid through some activity. Okay. First of all, expansion in liquid. First of all, I will define about that. Then after I will explain. Expansion in liquid occurs more than in solid. Means when liquid and solid both are given same temperature, the liquid will expand more in comparison to solid. Okay. Now for example, thermometer. I think all of you have seen thermometer. In that thermometer, you have observed that simple thermometer is kept under the arms or under the tongue, and the mercury inside the thermometer increases. The mercury is in liquid form. Mercury liquid form. Okay. So when it is kept under the arm, then the mercury increases, and when it is kept out of the under the arm or under the tongue, then after some time you found that the mercury is rising down. So what it is showing? It is showing that whenever it is getting some heat, then it is rising. There is an expansion in the liquid. But when the solid is given the same temperature, if you take any iron piece and you keep it under the arm, it will not have any expansion. But the thermometer's mercury will have expanded more. Okay. So this was our expansion in liquid. Another example, take a flask and fill water in it. After that, I'm making the diagram, then you will see. Take a round flask, okay, like this, and fill water in it up to some extent. Now as the water is filled, tie it to a stand properly. Okay, it is holded in a stand. Now after that, fix a thin tube in it, thin tube reaching to the surface of water, and up to the bottom you can do, and fix a cork here so that air will not pass through it. Okay. Now after that, you will find that some of the water, this water is got inside the tube. Now mark it someplace like that. You can mark it up to here, means water was up to here. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to use a spirit lamp and provide it heat. Okay. So when you provide the heat, you will find that this water, the water that was up to here in tube, is risen at some extent, maybe up to here. So here we have found that previous reading. Now because of the heat provided to the jar, to the flask, after some time you found that this water is risen from here to here. Here it will be new reading. So what we observed? We observed that each and every particle of the water gets expanded on heating, and because of that heating, the particles have movement, and because of that movement, the water inside the tube is risen to upward. Okay. So this was another experiment that will show you, that will make you to understand that the liquid also have expansion. So this was our topic for today, expansion in liquid. Our next topic is expansion in gas, that we will finish on next day. Thank you, class.